Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. Thank you for stopping by. So for today, I'm going to be doing a review on these pre-French gel tips. I got these on Amazon. I really wanted some of those colored tips for the holidays just to throw on quick. I found these. I cannot spend $30 on the BTR box tips. I'm sorry, I can't do it. So these were $10, I believe. And I will link them down below for you guys if you're interested. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, but I'm sorry I didn't get a better view, but it did have the directions on the back. So I believe it came with 5 colors, and I love that nude background, like the nude base, I mean. So it came with those light brown ones, which I will be using today, and then it has a darker shade of brown, which I want to use for Thanksgiving. And then it has this like creamy nude color, like an off-white, which is very pretty. These pink ones, I'm not a pink person, so I would just take some acetone and wipe that off and just use the base color. I really do like the shape of these tips as well. I like that almond. And then here's more of like a pinky peachy nude. So those, I just wanted to show you. They are similar, but they are different. You can see it's more of a yellow and more of a pinky tone. So like I said, I'm going to use the light brown tips, and I'm going to use the top coat and the glue gel from SXC Cosmetics. I will leave it down below. I freaking love these. So I have already prepped my nails. They're ready to go. This is just a set I did for my daughter's 9th birthday. She did purple and butterflies. I was getting my nails ready to put on another set. So this is what I used for my left hand. It is a rubber-based gel from Born Pretty. I freaking love it. And then I'm just going to use this lamp from Nail Couture. So now I'm just going to size out my nail tips. You just want to make sure that you get it from sidewall to sidewall. And you can file around the cuticle if it doesn't fit yours well. But the thumbnail is more square, and the cuticles on the other nails are round, which fits my nails perfect. So I really like these in the beginning, but we'll get into that later. So now I'm just going to show you how I apply the nails. I don't do anything special. I don't etch the insides. I just go in with my glue gel. I put it in to where around my natural nail would meet the inside, if that makes sense. And then I don't really add any like to the tip of it to add more, because this glue gel is very thick. So like my nail beds are very small, so I don't need that much. And then I place it on the nail, put it under the lamp for 10 seconds. And then I make sure it's straight, and then I put it in for another 5 to 10 seconds. The nails, they do feel like flexible around the cuticle, and then very sturdy at the tip. These are longer than I would normally wear, but they did feel very flexible at the cuticle and sturdy at the tip, which is what you want, like thicker in the middle where the apex is. So I was excited about that, because these are like cheaper versions, I guess. But these tips fit my nail like a glove. They were absolutely perfect. And I just did my thumb. I did a reel, so look up for that. So now I'm just going to use my e-file. I'm going to go around the cuticle to get any spillage that I didn't clean up. Just be careful around the French tip, because you can file it away. So I just try to be very careful when I have to go over that, because I did have some spillage, but I was just super careful, very lightly. And now I go in with my hand file and just file off that little tab at the tip of the nails. Very lightly. If you do too much, you can take away the French tip. So now I'm just gonna go in with the glue gel as like, what do they call it? I'm using it as like my builder gel. This is thick enough, so I think it would be okay. Put a layer over all of the nails and I cured for 60 seconds. And I do make sure to get the tip of the nail where that French is so it doesn't chip. This just adds an extra layer of strength for the nails. And then I just went in with a top coat. I love this top coat. I love the consistency of it. It's not thick or thin. It's the perfect thickness, I guess, for me anyways. And I love the shiny, the shininess it gives it. I think it's the perfect top coat. I love this top coat, and they actually sell it separate, so I will have to get my hands on it. Usually you have to buy the kit, but you can buy the glue gel separate. But this is how the nails turned out. I absolutely loved them. I thought they were perfect. I love the brown. However, when I added, I did my right hand, I did the darker brown, the nail cracked. So do what you will with that information. I will use these still. I really like them. But I will still wear them because I purchased them. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. I do have some more Thanksgiving stamping nails coming, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.